Everybody loves that she put it on YouTube so we can share it.
Oh, that's good. Good morning, guys. Can't really see us, but we're all in a van. It is 6:25 a.m. We're heading to the pool now. We have two vans going at 6:25 and then another one going later. Then I'm looking.
You can't curse in your vlog.
I'll bleep myself. Today's events are 2 back, 2 a.m., 50 fly, 100 breasts. Is that it?
Yep, and then relay.
And then we have another medley relay and the 400 medley relay, the 16 under 200 medley relay, and that's it, right?
Yeah.
Alrighty, I'll catch y'all at the pool. Okie dokie, we are at the pool. It's actually like
at the pool.
okay, but like it's kind of gorgeous over there. Like, watching the sunrise while you warm up is kind of something unmatched. Okie dokie. So we claimed our spot, casually watching the sunrise, and I'm about to put my suit on so I can get in for warm up and stretch and whatnot, and be all loosey-goosey for the 2 back tonight. Okay, it is about 10 minutes till my swim, which is like the first swim of the meet. Took me a good while to put my suit on again because nobody came to help me, but it's fine.
Coming.
Everybody's gonna swim really fast. I'm sure there'll be little updates in this area later. So another update, I updated you about 20 minutes ago and I was supposed to swim in 12 minutes. Well, this meet decided not to get any timers.
Yep, it's 8:10.
It's 8:10. I was supposed to swim at like 8:02, but it's okay. We're staying positive, and that's all that matters.
Getting ready.
John, are you upset?
I'm befuddled.
So I started off the meet for us with the 2 back this morning, and it didn't necessarily go the way I wanted it to go, but sometimes things happen that like you can't control. For example, the meet started 20 minutes late, and if I'd known that ahead of time, I probably would have done more warm up, but I could have done more warm up and gotten in a lot sooner when I got to the pool too. So there's things I definitely could have done better. I can't just blame the meet for not having timers, but I'm not gonna let one race ruin the rest of my races this week. I have 50 fly later, which is super fun, and then I have the medley relay, and I'm excited. I'm keeping the positive attitude. That's the point of these vlogs, is to help me be positive and help everybody else be positive. So I'll see you guys when there's other people racing. Yeah, Julie, you got it, Michaela. We're ready for you.
Let's go. There it is.
All right, Luke.
Let's go, Joe. He's going to go up 4 and 2. That's it. Oh, come on. Got to hold them off. Go, Luke. Last breath coming real soon, right here. Don't breathe.
Okay, so we're almost at the end of the A flight session. Marissa has been a rock star. She's about to swim her this is your third fly relay. And she's already swum 50 fly individually, so kind of amazing. We're very excited to swim. We'll let you know how it goes. Okay, so the A flight session of the morning is over, so I'm heading back to the hotel because there's a chance I'll swim in finals in the 50 fly. So I'm going back to get some rest and take a nice little nap and eat lunch. Anna, did you make finals in anything today?
Oh, I don't know. Probably not.
Okay, so Anna, along with 3 other breaststrokers, swam on a relay that was all of breaststrokers, and it was a medley relay, so that was really fun to watch because they swim strokes they don't typically swim. I'm gonna go get changed now, and I'll see y'all at the hotel.
Walking around Providence Square. Not a chill to the winter, but I'm getting to the air.
Hello, everybody. So we know, this is the finals crew. This is a group of kids who got to swim in finals tonight. So So we all, get to the pool thinking we're ready to swim. And then what do we see on our way to the pool? Lightning. And we're like, oh baby, here we go. Like, oh baby, here we go. But we get to the pool and there's people still in the pool. And then all of a sudden we hear poof for thunder. So
I'm glad that was thunder and not diarrhea, because it could have been either.
and therefore we are all crowded into one van instead of the two vans we took here, waiting for the thunder and lightning to pass.
They're the truck, yeah.
Zach, if you're watching this, come back. Also, John won't let me get aux, so I have coffee on my face.
Because as E-flight people, got about 45 minutes of sleep.
Okay, we'll see. We'll update you later. We can get back in the pool. Woo! Okay, so after about like a 20-minute-ish thunder lightning delay, we got back, we warmed up. Girls 2 backs going on right now. Ben's in 2 back. You're in 2 a.m. Who else is in 2 a.m.?
I'm the only one in 2 a.m.
He's in 2 a.m. Then there's 50 fly. Olivia and Marissa are in it. I'm 41, so we'll see what happens there. Then we have a lot of people in 100 breaths I'm not even gonna name because that's just impressive that so many people are in it. Oh, Jeffrey's in 50 fly too. So really.
So Jesse.
Okay, hey, we're really proud of you here, and I just wanted you to be able to contribute to the vlog today. I can't hear you, so I'm gonna hang up now, okay? Okay, we love you. Bye. Yeah, Ben! Woo! I made a new friend! So there's a crap ton of wind right now. There's a freaking tornado! Tornado!
Of course.
Mark, you're getting pumped to swim in the windstorm! Oh my god, look at that! So, not doing too well. Meet is canceled. We're running to the van. There's freaking stuff flying everywhere. Here we go.
Coaches.
So we're in the middle of a hurricane.
I was so ready to swim!
Where's the van?
I gotta swim!
We love you. Love you too. We're gonna die. We're all gonna die. So I know you're gonna update. We're still gonna die.
You better hurry up and upload it so people can see.
I know we better upload it before I die.
So scary.
So we're waiting for the
You know
van.
what'd be a better title? Real Death.
I know you're watching. I love you. Goodbye.
Bye, Mom.
love.
Bye, Mom.
So these are my new friends from the hotel. They also braved the storm, so there's some heroes. Thank you for your time. This is my new friend Ainsley. It's her birthday. Happy birthday. We survived the storm. We ate dinner and we had our team meeting, and that checks off all of our boxes for the night.
What? You are an old man.
It is now bedtime and I need to be in bed in 10 minutes and have this vlog edited so John doesn't yell at me. Good night, everybody.